Dr. Bijoykumar Das is a renowned space scientist, technocrat, and a research innovation leader from Jagannath Puri, Orissa, India. He was in the United States for nearly 5 decades. Dr. Das is also a scholar of Indian scriptures and is renowned for his spiritual discourses on Shrimad Bhagwat Geeta.
So, what happened in Bhagavad Gita when he asked, how can I win? United States, Russia, Israel, how can we win? How can I win Vishwa? Chup raho, baith jao. First of all, he was silent. For the whole first chapter, he was silent. Prabhu, I am talking all Shastra Gyan to you, but you are silent. You are not talking anything, you are not supporting me. Varna Sankar Jat honge, ye honge. Everything he has told, whatever he learned in his lifetime. So he was smiling. He was not giving any answer. So Arjuna asked, Prabhu, why are you silent? तुम तो बोलते हो, मैं क्या बोलूं? You are talking, you are a talker, I am a listener. You talk as much as you know. Because many people, they go and read a lot from internet, from this and that, they talk, orator. Same thing was the condition of Arjuna. Talk, talk, talk. Talk, I am listening, I am a listener, I am Sarathi, you are the ruler. Let's, Prabhu, when he realized that there is no answer in front of me for defeating this war, for getting the victory in this world, what he did, do you know? He goes there, I say, na jotsheti govindam, मैं युद्ध नहीं करूँगा, गांडीवं संस्कृते हस्तात्वच्चैव परिदह्यते, कहला मेरे हाथ से गांडी घुस रहा है. Do you know what has Bhagavad Gita has given us? Gandiv it has given to the world, and Akshay Tunir it has given to the world. Do you know nowadays we don't fight with missiles because it takes time to reach. You just read, our new weapons are divine weapons called directed energy weapons. We are using lasers, microwave, electron beam and scalar waves to fight the war. We are not using those bullet and firepower. So that has come from this, because we had the only technology that invoking the divine weapon. We were telling, hey Suryadev, hey Shiva Sambhu, give me your weapon to fight. We are invoking. So we studied how to invoke. They are the cosmic energy, cosmic entities, they are not human beings. We found out, if we can give them a path, they can give their energy to destroy anything you want. So we should not discuss more details of that, but I will show you what has happened, how I could develop COVID killer, all virus killers, and which stanza, which slok has given me this idea. So I said, Kutastva kasmalam idam vishame samupastitam anarja justam ashwaryam akirtin karam arjuna. गाली, उसके बाद गाली. आप लोगों को गाली चाहिए, मीन्स सबको गाली चाहिए. क्यों? तब जाकर आप धीर बैठेंगे. डंडा. तो भगवान कहते हैं, हे नपुंसक, हे कापुरुष, अपने सखा को, अपने मोस्ट इंटीमेट फ्रेंड, क्लैव्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ न एतत्त्वयि उपपद्यते क्षुद्रम हृदय द्रौबल्यम त्यक्त्वा उत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. You are telling like asutya annasocastum prajñābādāṃ sabhāsase gatāsuna gatāsunasya na anusochanti panditaः. तू विज्ञानी की तरह पढ़ाई कर रहा है, बात कर रहा है और काम कर रहा है मूर्ख की तरह. अरे कुलांगार, हे नपुंसक, क्लाइविंग मीन्स नपुंसक, हे नपुंसक, हे कापुरुष, तेरे को ये शोभा नहीं देता. हमारे ऊपर भी वही आप लोग कहेंगे, क्या आप लोग अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट बताते हैं, ये बताते हैं, क्या दिए हैं हमको, हम मर रहे हैं इतने लोग. वही चीज भगवान ने दिया. और क्या दिया? तो चुप हो जा पहले. क्यों? ही वॉज ओनली नोइंग दैट गांडीव और दिस, उसी से मैं मार सकता हूं, मेरे पास ताकत है. आई हैव द एनर्जी टू यूज गांडीव एंड अक्षय तुणीर टू किल पीपल. Then he found out that they are useless. So what God did, what we should all know, चुप हो जा, शांत हो जा। मेरे दोस्त एक ही वाक्य हमेशा बोलते हैं, शांति चाहिए, शांति विल गिव यू पावर। भगवान बोलते शांत रख, तू स्थित प्रज्ञ हो जा, देख क्या मिलता है तुझे, मैं तुझे बता दूंगा तरीका क्या है। सेकेंड चैप्टर में वो कहता है क्या स्थित प्रज्ञ होने से, जैसे बैठ जाने से हम जीत लेंगे? जीतोगे क्यों ना? तू उसी समय सोच सकता है कि राइट क्या है, रॉन्ग क्या है, तरीका क्या है, तरीका क्या नहीं है। तू जब ऑलरेडी घड़ा फुला हुआ है, जब कोई घड़ा, इफ इट pot is filled with water or anything, how can you fill more? You are already filled, you are thinking you are everything, how can you? शांत हो जा, empty कर दे। So स्थित प्रज्ञ सका भाषा समाधिस्तस्य केशवः स्थितधि किं प्रभाषेत किं आसीत् ब्रजेत किम। पूछ लिया, how can I know how to become like this? प्रजहाति जदा कामान सर्वान् पार्थ मनोगतान् आत्मने आत्मनः तुष्टः स्थित प्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते दुखेषु अनुद्विग्नमनः सुखेषु विगत स्पृह वीतराग भयक्रोध स्थितधि मुनि उच्यते जः सर्वत्र नभिस्नेह तत्तत् प्राप शुभाशुभं नाभिनन्दन्ति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता यदा संघरते चायं कुर्मंगाइवन सर्वशः। अरे कुर्म बन जा, अपने नॉलेज को भीतर रख, बांट रहा है सब, तेरा ताकत को भीतर रख। तो क्या मिला? उसको याद दिला दिए, जब भरने का था भरना चालू किए प्रभु। व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही सेड शिखंडी च महारथा 1 विराटश्च अपराजितः। 2 words, शीशखंडी विराट। Immediately remembered, I defeated all of them in the Hastinapur war. I was a Brihannala. I could defeat them. Why am I thinking this is the only way? God said, why are you thinking this is the only way? You do not know. Search for it. So what was that? Apply the anesthetic weapon. सम्मोहन अस्त्र डाल दे, मारेगा नहीं, वो तो मर नहीं सकते, लेकिन तू उसको एनेस्थेटाइज तो कर सकता है, पैरालाइज तो कर सकता है। पैरालाइज कर, देन मार कसके सरसज्जा में डाल दे।